Is the 2026 market crash causing an increase in layoffs across major industries? The answer could reshape how you see job security in the coming years. The 2026 market crash sent shockwaves through the economy, forcing many major industries to tighten their belts. Tech companies, once booming, started furloughing staff to reduce costs. Financial firms faced declining profits and responded similarly. Manufacturing also hit a snag with reduced demand leading to layoffs. Yet not all sectors were equally affected. Some industries like healthcare and essential services showed resilience, maintaining or even increasing their workforce. This uneven impact highlights how the crash reshaped employment differently across sectors. When markets crash, companies face immediate pressure to preserve cash flow and maintain investor confidence. One of the quickest ways to reduce expenses is through layoffs. This strategy helps firms stay afloat amid unpredictable sales and shrinking budgets. Additionally, shifts in consumer behavior force businesses to rethink their operations. For example, reduced consumer spending on luxury goods resulted in job cuts in related industries. The rise of automation also accelerated during this period, further displacing some workers. Understanding these dynamics explains why layoffs surged after the crash. While layoffs increased initially, the market crash also accelerated long-term changes in how and where people work. Remote work became standard in many industries, opening new opportunities beyond traditional office roles. Demand for tech skills soared as companies invested in digital transformation to stay competitive. This created new job categories even as others disappeared. Workers who adapted to these trends found better prospects, while those in declining sectors faced challenges. The crash didn't just cause layoffs, it kickstarted a transformation in employment itself. The 2026 market crash definitely led to increased layoffs in many industries, but it also sparked surprising shifts in the job market. Some sectors stayed strong, and new opportunities emerged with changing work patterns. Keep watching to stay ahead of these trends. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.